हेलो गाइस, होपफुली यू आर फाइन. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू about editing. Editing is also a very important part of journalism and mass communication. Especially you have to do all these things by yourself. Now today it is just like a one-man show. If you want to do journalism or do something related mass communication, you should know editing, writing, everything related to this profession. You have to learn this. First I am going to tell you about how you can make your own music to avoid copyright, piracy and some other things, blah 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 and blah. It is very simple. First of all, you have to download Adobe Premiere Pro. You can see Adobe Premiere Pro here. What you have to do, first you have to download this. Then simply when you will download this, you have to execute this. Don't want to go in detail. Everyone can install this software. It is a very easy software. Then what you have to do, you have to, first of all, you have to go file, then import. When you will go import, you can see here some audio files. You will simply, what you will do, you will just double click on that file will be imported. Then you will just put that file here, just like that. Then now what you have to do now, it is very simple. You can see here some tools. This is a blade razor tool. You can say razor tool, or you can say blade, what you it doesn't matter what you say it, but you should know how you can use it. Simply click on this and click this. You can see this, just clicking it is cutting that audio video in different parts. You can, after this, you have to select these parts and arrange them. You can see what I have done. I have arranged some parts, or for that video, these are videos or audio sound bites of two instruments. One you can see in front of you, you can see it duff, drum, what you can say, and other one is sitar, or it doesn't matter, but you should know what type of instrument I have used in this particular video. After cutting that videos, I just arrange them. Let's see what I have done. You can see music. You can listen music. This instrument, I am playing this instrument. After this, when this instrument stops, you can listen a different voice. This voice, which tool I am using this in this video, duff. It is duff. Simply you can arrange these music by yourself. You can compose your musics. Now what I have done, I just mix these two instruments up and down. In this way you can make your own music for your YouTube channels, YouTube videos. If you have any question, you can ask me. Last thing, what I have to told you, how I have placed these two sound bites up and downs. You can see here more than 1 2 3 4 audio tracks. You can put simply with the help of your cursor. You can just drag them and place them. It is very easy. When you will do, you can compose your own music. You have to go at export, medium, here you can simply export, and you can select what type of mp3, mpeg4, what format you can select, and you can simply export this. This is my lecture for today, how you can compose your music for your YouTube channels, videos, or for other purposes. Unless I'm again telling you, you have to do all these things by yourself. Otherwise it will be a very difficult for you today in European countries and Western countries and in modern countries. They are giving education to their student to use all type of things. There is no separate cameraman, editor, reporter. This is only a one-man show. You can I think so that's enough for you. If you have any question, you can ask in comment box. I will surely reply you when I will be available. Thank you very much. Hopefully you like this video, or see you again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.